talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Yes, let's talk. Jay wasn't feeling too irie. I was in the emergency room this morning, having some pain, lower abdominal area on the left side. Started freaking out, thought it was a little gas, figured I had to go, but it didn't work. No, I went to the emergency room, was stuck there for a few hours, end up finding out Jay has, all right, mild to moderate left with approximately secondary obstructing of the size of a, so I found out that I got a little kidney stone. Sheesh. Then, number 2, diverticulitis. Shit. And then, prostate was a little enlarged. I guess that's because of my age. And then, small fat-filled umbilical hernia. Bruh, before we continue, I need you guys to donate to my goddamn I'm getting old fund, okay? Goddamn, I'm getting old. This stuff ain't supposed to happen to the old man already. I'm getting old. No, but I'm being serious. Stuff like this happens, but you know what happened? I got out of the emergency room probably about 3:30, 4 o'clock this morning. I had to report to work at 7 o'clock. You know where Jay was? I was at work at 7 o'clock this morning, in pain, finished my day, about to take my meds, and make it through the weekend. Not because I'm Superman, but because, you know, nothing I can do, just stay home, right? Stay home and wait for medication. Look, it ain't even about dedication. I need that little change. Plenty of sick leave. I want to use it for I'm really sick, though. I got some things to take care of, but y'all want to donate to the goddamn I'm getting old fund for G, y'all just hit me up. All right, goddamn I'm getting old. Yes. Staffing shortages and a lack of space contributing to postal problems in Colorado mountain towns. I read this article a couple days ago. Was going to do a little article about it, a little video about it, and said, nah. Actually, I couldn't do anything because I was in so much pain yesterday. But then I'm over there chopping it up with my man's mailman, Nick, and my man West Side Dave from the West Side. And they sent me this little thing. And this is what the thing said. We're going to look at what the thing said. Okay, the thing. All right, here we go. The thing said, seeking volunteers to carry mail in Colorado from December 11th through December 23rd. Cities are Basalt, Craig, Aspen, Carbondale, Durango, Newcastle, Glenwood Springs, Rifle, Vale, Aurora. It has a phone number. Contact 661-775-6500. Now, this was sent to letter carriers. I'm assuming every letter carrier in the nation. If you got this same message or you wasn't at work today, give me a hell yeah. Hell yeah. No, but seriously, there's a reason for this. This was, I guess, today, 12/8. Yeah, 12/8 was sent today. And that other article was just yesterday, which was weird, or the day before. Let me read this article and we're going to get to the good, the bad, the ugly. The U.S. Postal Service Inspector General report confirmed that what many residents in Colorado mountain towns already know. Service in high country is slower compared to the rest of the state and nation. On-time mail delivery was up to 5 percentage points lower, the report stated. It also found the package delivery was also lower than a nationwide average. However, how big that gap actually was left unclear, as numbers regarding package delivery were redacted from public report. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I think the audit confirms what we already know, which is significant mail delayage, huge gaps in services. The freshman I don't want to go into that. The report blames some of the troubling on understaffing, and Peter said she's looking at different options for additional support for cost of living stipends to help serve rural communities better. Mail service is one of the most important things that we provide, and we need to make sure that it is working for people no matter where you live, Peterson said. Okay, so I'm not going to go into all the details behind it, but what I gathered from this, and I could be totally wrong, is that what we already know. They ain't got no goddamn staff up there in Colorado in these areas. Now, because they don't have staff, me, what Jay would do, and I'm nobody, if I was a carrier, if I had nothing else going on in my life, or if I had this time to donate, because you're going to get paid, trust that. They're going to fly you out there, they're going to room and board you, and you're going to help. It's a chance for some people that have never left their little huts in the middle of nowhere to go to another hut in the middle of nowhere. Now, let me break this down a little bit different. There's some people that actually, they live, you may be postal workers, baby, but they may live in the inner ghettos of Detroit. They may live in the inner ghettos of like downtown Houston or some of the like gutter Brooklyn, and they've never left. This is an opportunity to go see a beautiful state, Colorado, and the mountains. Aspen, I've been skiing out there once. It's beautiful. And it's only for what, 2 weeks, 2 weeks? You can't go wrong. I mean, again, seeking volunteers to carry mail in Colorado from December 11th through the 23rd. They say what the city's names are, and the contact phone number, again, is 661-775-6500. Free room and board, I'm sure. And it's a possibility that you that have never left your little area may see something there that might spark your interest, that could actually change the rest of your life. You may say, you know what, this is so beautiful out here. I may want to make a power move to move my family out here. Some people love that. Some people love that different change. It's an opportunity, as small as it may be. If they bring 50, 60, 100 carriers out there, I guarantee you at least 2 will end up moving out there. At least 2. At least. It may be you. Passing on the information for what it's worth. That article that I was referring to was in POSTALTimes.com. You can scroll down. It has about the Colorado communities. And the only reason I spoke about this is because, again, mailman Nick, he has sent this to me, and I was like, oh, again, it's just pieces of the puzzle just matching together. He sent that to me today. I read this article yesterday or the day before, and this is the consequence for them saying, hey, look, we need help. This is a way for us to get help. Has this happened before? Absolutely. It happened in South Florida somewhere when they were having issues with getting mail out, and the people were getting paid to go down, way down to the bottom of South Florida and go help out. It's a way to bang some big bucks in a short period of time. And they're willing to pay these big bucks right now just because there's no V time. But nonetheless, with all that being said, hopefully this information was good for somebody. And if you weren't paying attention to it or just looked past it on your scanner just happened to die, this information is decent. All right. And you know what? Jay's going to show you better than he tells you. Right there. There you go. That's not my hand. This is my hand. It's somebody else's. Whoa. But yeah. So that was sent out, like I said, and it might be helpful to somebody. All right. And like I said, anybody try to donate to the fund, your boy was in the ER, boy. ER. Had to do this so y'all don't see what my name is. All right. JH. And that's the news. I'm out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.